It was all confusing at first, but one day it just clicked. What's up guys, Dev here, and that's actually a quote that I heard while I was on my coding journey. And it's funny because I actually wrote an entire journal entry about that one segment of a YouTube video that I was watching at 1 a.m. And for a long time I actually kind of was looking that single moment where I would go from not understanding code to understanding how to program. But I'm here to tell you guys, unfortunately, that moment doesn't exist. Or at least for me, it didn't exist. And the reason why I think is because programming is iterative. It's versions and updates. It's not just this one dramatic moment. As cool as that would be, that's just not the case. In the real world, programmers are actually having clicks every single day. Me yesterday, I was pairing with my friend Lewis, and he actually helped me get to a click. And today I was working on a feature at work and I had another click. The clicks are just a continuous thing, and you have them more and more frequently as you get more experience. So I can tell you actually a few things that do happen for programmers in the real world. So number one, I could tell you that anything you can imagine, you can actually create. Similar to the famous Pablo Picasso quote, everything you can imagine is real. That's actually true. Anything that you want to build, you actually can. Number two, a common phrase that we use at my job is, there's no way you can know everything. But on the flip side, there's no way you can know everything. So it's kind of a gift and a curse in the world of programming. You can learn a lot and still have tons to know, but nobody expects you to know everything. The main thing is you need to just have the ability to learn anything that you don't know. And last but not least, just have fun with it. I mean, truthfully, if I didn't enjoy programming, I would need to find another job. I love the process. I love the difficulty. And honestly, that's probably part of the reason that you got into programming. It's not because it's the easiest thing in the world to do, but it's because it has that barrier of entry. It has that difficulty, but it also opens up the possibilities to create things that you never would have been able to otherwise. I mean, right now the optimism is obviously flowing, but that's just who I am. I'm just trying to offer you guys a bit of encouragement. I like to consider myself a realistic optimist, meaning I'm optimistic at all times, but I like to root my optimism in reality so that I can actually make my dreams or my goals become reality. So I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Keep coding. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this video. If you want to see more, let me know some. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.